vise, find inside the videotape it. So I'm prepping the main body, the fixed jaw, sitting on that thing, getting hot real slow. While I'm waiting, stainless steel brush, piece of ductile iron that I machined to fit a machine slot in the back of the vise where there was a big chunk broke out. And anybody that knows how to weld knows that the cleaner it is, the better it is. So I'm making sure there's no bits of grinding wheel or dirt or fingerprints off of the mating surfaces where I'm going to braze this piece in. On that subject, doesn't mean you always have to have it clean. I've done a lot of stuff, field expedient stuff, where you kind of dust it off and crank it up and just like burn everything out. But it creates inclusions in the weld when you do that, and flaws. So it's not like super critical, structural, lives dependent on it kind of welding, you know, like a trash can frame or some little thing like that. Then you can kind of scrimp on the recipe, but I try to make it a policy not to, as good as I can. So we'll be back after a bit when this thing gets warmed up and I get it set here and I'm ready to start braising. So I got it all heated up. It's in this blanket here to keep it all warm because I don't want it to change temperature too much. It's bad enough that I'm turning this red hot right here, but at least I won't stress it. Hopefully it won't create a crack later. But we'll see. I use little plastic temp sticks, and I know it's over 600 degrees because I don't have one higher than that, but 600 or 700 degrees, somewhere in that area, which is close enough for this. Little piece of ductile iron right here that I've cut to fit in there. So here we go. And you can't see me, but it's a lot of braising. I'm on the last little bit, so I thought I'd get a video of it. I don't know how good it'll be. Okay. So now I got this thing up 1800 degrees or so. Who knows? I gotta let it cool off till tomorrow. It's gotta be wrapped up to minimize the risk of it cooling unequally and creating a crack. So once it's done, then I go look for cracks and see if I have to weld it again.